Today we'll do some more problems. कुछ और भी sums करेंगे based on trigonometric identities. Okay, let's start. Show that tan 3x tan 2x multiplied by tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So what we'll do, first of all, tan 3x का value we'll find out. Can we write like this? Tan 3x will be equal to tan 2x plus x. लिख सकते हैं ना. So what will be the value? Then इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? tan a प्लस b, tan x प्लस y का वैल्यू क्या होता था? tan x प्लस tan y. ओके, सो tan 2x प्लस tan x डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस tan 2x इंटू tan x होगा. मतलब a प्लस b, तो tan a प्लस tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, now what we'll do, this is equal to tan 3x, right? So what we'll do, this part हम इधर लेकर आएंगे and we'll multipy with this. So tan 3x multiplied by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Now equality में यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? What is left behind? That is tan 2x plus tan x. ठीक है. Now we'll multiply this. We'll get tan 3x minus, again tan 3x will be multiplied with this one, tan 3x tan 2x tan x will be equal to tan 2x plus tan x. What we'll do, this whole part will bring here this side. Okay, and ये सारी चीजें ये माइनस में है, उसको उस साइड लेकर जाएंगे, राइट? सो इट विल बी tan 3x माइनस आ जाएगा ना, माइनस tan 2x माइनस tan x विल बी इक्वल टू दिस पार्ट, tan 3x tan 2x tan x. और क्या प्रूव करना था? या द सेम थिंग, tan 3x tan 2x tan x should be equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan, hence proved. Okay, now we'll see some more trigonometric identities and how to derive that. As we all know that cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, right? And also we also know that cos x minus y will be equal, cos x minus y will be equal to cos x cos y minus sin plus sin x sin y. Okay, so now when we'll add these two, okay, by adding these two, okay, what we'll get? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Okay, so is equal to cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. So what we are getting? 2 cos x cos y. Okay, and this is minus minus, so cancel. Okay, 0. So we can say that 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. कह सकते हैं ना? Similarly, when we are subtracting these two, minus minus ये plus हो जाएगा ना? This will become minus ये, sorry, this is also minus. So now when we are doing this minus, so it will be cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to, this is positive, this is negative, ठीक है, माइनस कर रहे हैं तो it will be 0. Okay, now minus minus है, minus here भी यहाँ पे minus, तो it will be minus 2 sin x sin y. So we can say that minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Okay, so sometimes we are having the value like cos 5x cos 7x minus cos 5x. So how to break this? अगर this value we are getting single value अगर है तो how we can find out? अगर x हमें कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? It means x plus y plus x minus y divided by 2 will get x. Okay, and x plus y minus x minus y divided by 2 will get y. Okay, so this way we can find out. So this is one formula, one actually identities, and this is also one trigonometric identities. Similarly we have two more trigonometric identities जो similar हैं इससे. Okay, so that is for sin x plus y and sin x minus y के लिए. We'll see sin x plus y क्या होता है value? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, now sin x minus y के लिए क्या होता है value? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, now when we'll add these two क्या होगा? Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and we'll get addition कर रहे हैं तो this is minus, this is plus, ये cancel हो जाएगा. What we'll get? 2 sin x cos y हमें मिलेगा. Okay, so we can say that 2 sin x cos y के लिए value is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Okay, ये हमारा this is one trigonometric identity, and similarly we'll do something for minus when we are subtracting these this value from this one. So x plus y minus sin x minus y, what we are getting? Minus के तो ये minus के ये this will be plus, minus minus plus. So what we'll get? ये positive है ये negative है, cancel हो जाएगा. This will become 2, will get 2 cos x sin y. Okay, so we can say that 2 cos x sin y के लिए when we have 2 sin x cos y, उसके लिए sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, या फिर when we have sin x plus y and sin x minus y का summation we can write 2 sin x cos y. but अगर उन दोनों को subtract कर रहे हैं, when we are subtracting sin x plus y when we are subtracting sin x minus y from sin x plus y, then our value will be 2 cos x sin y. Okay, so 2 cos x sin y will be value क्या होगा? sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Okay, so this is another trigonometric identity. So based on these identities we'll do sums. So we have a question. This sum we have to prove. What we have to prove? Cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. तो हम क्या करेंगे? cos a plus b plus cos a minus b वाला formula will apply, and what we'll get? So when we'll apply this one, LHS is equal to cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x. So cos a plus b plus cos a minus b के लिए क्या था? 2 cos a cos b. Okay, so 2 cos pi by 4 and cos x. Okay, so 2 into pi by 4 matlab that is 45 degree. So what is the value of cos pi by 4? Pi by 4 का value 1 upon root 2. Okay, and multiplied by cos x. ठीक है, so root 2, when we'll divide 2 by root 2, what we'll get? root 2. Okay, so root 2 cos x equal to RHS. ठीक है, hence proved. Okay, one more problem. We'll see what we have to prove. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x. So first of all we'll take LHS is equal to cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. Okay, so ये cos a plus b plus cos a minus b के टर्म में लेकर चलेंगे. So what can be the value? 2 cos a plus 2 cos x and cos y. So cos x निकालने के लिए what we'll do? 7x plus 5x divided by 2 and cos y के लिए 7x minus 5x divided by 2 कर सकते हैं. बट क्लियरली वो हमें दिख रहा है, लाइक 6x plus 6 plus 1 is 7 and 6 minus 1 is 5. ओके, सो वो 6x ही होगा, बट स्टिल फॉर टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर आई एम डूइंग दिस. ओके, नाउ sin 7x के लिए व्हाट वी विल डू, sin x क्या होता था, sin a plus b प्लस साइन a माइनस बी रहता था, तो क्या होता था साइन a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. ओके, बट साइन a प्लस b माइनस साइन a माइनस b के लिए 2 cos a sin b, so 2 cos 7x plus 5x divided by 2 and sin 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Okay, so 2 cancel, cos 7x will be the same, cancel. So what is left behind? Cos 7 minus 5, 2 divided by 2. So 2x divided by 2. Now sin 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Okay. So cos x divided by sin x is equal to cot x is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So one more sum, we'll see. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. So first of all, we'll take LHS is equal to sin 5x. Sin 5x minus 2 what we'll write, हम इसको पहले लिखते हैं. Okay, sin 5x plus sin x, okay, minus 2 sin 3x, ठीक है, divided by cos 5x minus cos x. ठीक है, so first of all we'll take these two, sin 5x plus sin x, and इसके साथ we'll apply the formula sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So what we will get, sin का वैल्यू हम लेते हैं तो we'll get 2 sin a and then cos b. So sin a will be 5x plus x divided by 2 and sin cos b, so it will be 5x minus x divided by 2 and here minus 2 sin 3x, ठीक है, divided by cos 5x minus cos x. मतलब यहाँ पे we'll take the formula cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. So and what value we are getting, we'll get 2 sin a and sin b. Okay, मिलता है ना, तो a will be 5x plus x divided by 2 and b will be sin 5x minus x divided by 2. Okay, so now we'll write the value, 2 cancel. Okay, so it will be sin 5 plus 1 6 by 2 3x cos, ओके, 2 हम कैंसिल नहीं करते हैं, वी कैन नॉट डू दिस बिकॉज यहाँ पे माइनस में भी है ना, सो विदाउट टेकिंग कॉमन हम कैंसिल कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, राइट. सो दिस इज 2 3x cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x divided by minus 2 sin 3x sin 2x. Okay, so now by taking 2 sin 3x common, 2, अच्छा माइनस भी हम कॉमन लेते हैं. ओके, माइनस 2 sin 3x कॉमन लिया, so what we'll get 1 minus cos 2x, so 1 minus cos 2x, okay, divided by minus 2 sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x divided by sin 2x, okay. So minus minus cancel, 2 cancel, sin 3x cancel. So what is left behind? 1 minus cos 2x, okay, divided by sin 2x. Okay, first of all we'll see the cos 2x का value क्या होता है. Cos 2x का value is sin square x cos square x minus sin square x, यही होता है ना. Sin square x and cos square x को we can write like this, 1 minus sin square x, okay, and already minus sin square x हमारे पास है. So it can be equal to cos 2x can be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So what we'll write here, 1 minus, and cos 2x का value will be 1 minus 1 minus sin square x, okay, 1 minus 2 sin square x, ठीक है, divided by, अगर sin x plus x के लिए we can write 2 sin x cos x, so it will be 2 sin x cos x, ठीक है. So it will be 1 minus 1 and ये minus minus plus 2 sin square x, so 1 cancel, okay, so 2 sin square x divided by 2 sin x cos x, okay. Now next step में 2 sin square x को can we write like this, sin x into sin x divided by 2 sin x cos x, okay, 2 cancel, sin x cancel, so sin x divided by cos x will be tan x, and that is equal to RHS, okay, tan x. So hence proved. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.